Last triangles that are congruent gets its own video, hypotenuse, leg. So here we go. We know H stands for hypotenuse, L stands for leg. So if BC is congruent to EF, because that's my hypotenuse, and if AB is congruent to DE, a leg, then triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF because of HL. That's all I need to say. Hypotenuse and leg. So here we go. Let's take a look at some of these together. I don't think I'm going to do, actually I think there are only two. Yeah, good. All right, so two proofs we're going to do together. Triangle LMP and triangle MNP are right angles. That's given to me. ML is congruent to MN. That is given to me. MP is congruent to MP. That's the reflexive property. Now I can make my Big Daddy statement because I have a hypotenuse and a leg identified, so that is HL. Okay, let's look at another one together. WVX and YZX are right angles. Go ahead and make those markings. So triangle WVX and triangle YZX are right angles. Oh, excuse me, right triangles. That's given to me. I know that WV is congruent to YZ. WV is congruent to YZ. That's given to me. Hopefully you've paused it and then come back in and check. All right. I also know that X is the midpoint of WZ. That's given to me. Now, if X is the midpoint of WY, not WZ, then I can make these marks and say that WX is congruent to XY, and that's definition of midpoint. Now I look and I know that the hypotenuse has been identified, a leg has been identified, so now I can make my Big Daddy statement of WVX is congruent to triangle YZX because of HL. Ta-da! All right, that takes you through the proofs.